Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And guys, this video we're gonna do some crashes. It's kind of fun, okay? Don't tell anybody, but I like to crash some airplanes. Okay? Whatever, guys. Okay. Let's start the game. Let's start the game, bro. Okay, guys. We are playing Airline Commander, bro. Why do I have such a name like that? And I'm a Viking. Yeah, I'm a Viking. Guys, that's not true. Ask my bro Smith guy. He's actually literally sus. But guys, that guy's really good at Airline Commander. Okay, guys. Sorry for... Cool, guys. Okay, guys. Man. Cool. Okay, guys. That's... Hello, guys. Yellow man. Okay. Okay, let's see. Venom. Let's start this. Okay, guys. As your first, what you're gonna do? Put the flaps. Okay, guys, so we need to let... What's the problem? What's the problem? What's the problem? Okay, guys. Softness. Yes, okay. Continue. Let's see which and how much we're gonna know. Okay, guys, as I said, guys, as you can see, I told you I'm gonna crash a lot of airplanes, but yeah, I know it's going the wrong way. I'm sorry, but yeah. No, let's just go crash some airplanes. Okay, number one, let's start with Sab. Oh, Sabby, man. Okay. Okay. guys, we crashed one plane, okay. In this video we're gonna crash a lot of planes, okay. Let's try again. I think we're gonna crash this plane like 5 times in a row. See, look, I'll tell you again. Crash this plane in a row. Okay. We're gonna go down. Crash it. Oh, let's go. Let's crash this thing, man. Okay, that's kind of fun, guys. Someone crashes whole speed. That's it, guys. Nothing to see, nothing to see. Try again. The last time to crash these planes. This is how you crash a plane. Guys, this is how you land a plane. This is how you crash a plane. Dancing. I wanna dance, please. I wanna dancing. I'm pulling out on me. I wanna hear shit crashing. I'm crashing. Yeah, bruh. Whatever. Let's go, guys. Mission completed. Okay, now. ACR 40. No. Let me start with Ember 140. Oh, diamond. Hey, bro. You know what? They're very nice. But I think this time you'll go much more farther than you think. I'm telling you, Brian. You are not about to land. Okay, so guys, Okay. We're gonna go up. Bye bye airport. And go bye. Let's go. Okay guys, now we're directly land. We won't land it very badly. No, we are not. Okay guys, like and subscribe. Okay guys, bye. Whatever this happened, this is what it happened. Okay, let's do the video. This is the boring part. Okay, now this is the hot stuff. Okay guys, please like and subscribe, okay? And please subscribe, and I'll make literally a movie of an airplane, okay? Like our famous airplane crashes, and if you don't, a bug will be inside your bed. Bye.